Yep.
So we out here, man. We're going to walk to this waterfall. It looks actually really cool if I've seen the pictures right. And yeah, there's like just crap all over. There's just like animals and plants, all beautiful. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But yeah, but I gotta run because they are right in front of me, and I'm losing track of time because I think I have ADD because I'm looking at roosters and stuff. Hold up. I'll fast forward when I'm there. I'll fast forward you guys when I'm there. And we're here. Wow. That's something. Yeah, I'm gonna swim in there. Hopefully I need some footage. What up? So we're back again. Oh, that was really fun.
There's gay people looking at him.
Yeah, there is like...
No, they were looking at me.
No, they're like transsexuals looking at Ram. Just checking him out. Because he's sexy. Because he's a sexy boy. Just kidding.
What is that?
Nothing. It's ugly. But, yeah. Ram, what does every girl want?
They like the personality. It's all about the personality.
Yeah, tell us more, Ram.
Well, they don't like the skinny people like you, Zach.
Okay.
They like the people that are strong.
Okay.
Who can take care of them.
Okay.
That's Bae. That's future Bae. Also a woman in that. That's future Bae.
You want a big woman.
No, not a big woman.
That's what you just said.
I already have a woman in mind.
Ooh.
And I can't tell you that.
Ooh.
Can't tell you.
Wow, Ram. That's such a bad... Well, Ram's single, guys. So,
Yeah.
call him out. Swag. 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 Yo, so we're at a photo shoot. You know, Jay chillin'. But yeah, we're at a photo shoot. So we can just remember this time in Waterfalls. You know what I mean? Okay. Peace.
Let's go back there.
It's so crazy out here, man. Just kidding. Fine store.
We're at a mall.
Yeah. Feel the beat? Feel the beat? Oi. 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 It's so dope. It is so pretty, but we're at this French bakery. I don't know what day it is, but we're at a French bakery. It's really nice here. Yeah.
Okay, get ready for our games. We have a lot of prizes to be given away all for you.
Birthday party for my baby cousin Adele and my Lola. And she's dressed up as a queen, and Adele's dressed up as a princess.
Let's see.
Okay, everybody hold your hands up. How about that? We have kids over there.
My Lola's
Come
like
here. Come
74.
Join with us.
It's kind of awkward.
Okay, everybody hold your hands. Hold. Hold your 6 LLL.
Kid's birthday party and they're playing this kind of music. What's up, man? Look at all those pink balloons. That's thug. Look at this gay boy. That's thug. Exactly. You suck. Ha 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 ha.
Rainbows sunshine everywhere I go. Rainbows, sunshine, go.
This is why we keep kids out of the streets. This is why we keep kids out of the streets. Yeah, I'm doing like a vlog thing. Say hi, Doug. This is
Guys!
what's your name? I don't know. I'm just kidding. Yeah. Yeah, it's my cousin, I think. So this is the mall from the outside. It's like not even a mall. It's like a beautiful palace of clothes and restaurants. And
The Zach wants to buy everything.
there's a lot of European brands and Japanese and foreign. That's why I like it. You can buy some stuff, you know. Yeah, it's better than the mall we have back home and stuff. Because it's all expensive, but here it's cheap as mud, so cheap. We're at a Taoist temple. Drag. But yeah, we're at a Taoist temple.
There's avatars here. Avatar.
Yeah, it reminds us of our avatar. Really cool. My little cousin went inside this person's picture and we're not even related to them. So, kind of awkward now. Sige.
Sayangnya alligator. What's that mean?
I used to be the young and